Now in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to create a gray foreign account. Now in this gray app is embedded about 4 or 3 foreign accounts you can open from your phone, from your laptop, from anywhere you are in the world. Now I'll simply come to the website gray.co. okay, now you can find a link to this gray website under this video description. Just click on the link, it's gonna bring you to this page. So you click right here, get started. Now it's gonna bring you to this page where it says country of residence. What country do you live in? Now currently these are all the countries where you can use Gray from, where you can get Gray and set up your account. Now either you're using your mobile phone or your PC, the sign up process is the same. Now we all know in the mobile phone, if you're using an iOS or an Android, you need to go to the App Store, download the Gray app and follow the same process. So I'm going to select my country, then I'll click on continue. Okay, now this page right here is where I'll need to enter my details. Okay, my gender, then my email address. Then I'm going to enter my phone number. Then referral code, if you have a referral code. But just like the link you just clicked from my video description that brings you here, my referral code is going to be here. But if it's not there, you can. Now it's asking me to create a strong password. So I'm going to type in a password. Now when entering a password, you need to follow these steps here. A lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a number, a special character, and at least 8 characters. So I've clicked continue. Now an OTP has been sent to the email address I provided. So I'm going to go to the email address and get the OTP. Okay, so this right here is the OTP I just got from my email address. So I'm going to click on verify your account. Okay, now this is the next stage. Now at this next stage, it says, what do you want to use Gray for? Now the first option here, we have get a virtual card for online shopping. We have manage and track my expenses, get a foreign account to receive payments, receive invoices to receive payments, send money abroad, send and hold my funds in foreign currencies, dollar-based investments. I'm gonna select this option. So that says get a foreign account to receive payment. Now, whichever the option, you can select the option that's applicable to you. So I'll click this, then I'll click submit. It brings me to this page. So I'm going to click on complete my account setup. Then as you can see here, it says complete your KYC verification, send money globally, get a US dollar card, swap between currencies, create a unique Gray tag. So I'll click begin KYC verification. So it brings me to this page that says verify your identity, of which it requires my complete details, my street address, my country, state, city, postal code, date of birth, then proof of address. So I'll fill in these details one after the other. Now, the information you use here should be the exact same information you have on your valid ID card. The reason being that when you want to verify the account, they're going to need the same details. So for my proof of address, I'll be using my utility bill. You can choose whichever document you have here handy, and you must have taken a photo of it or you have a PDF of it on your mobile device or your PC. So I'll upload the file from my PC. As you can see right here, I'll browse to the location of the file, then I'll select it, then I'll continue. Then I'll click no thanks. Okay, so now it says you're almost there. Now, do you identify as a politically exposed person? Now, am I a politician or is any member of my family a politician? So I'll click on no. Let's come here for you to see what it really means. Rep is a person who currently holds or has within the last 5 years a specific office or position on or behalf of the federal, provincial or territorial. I'll click no. Are you a family member or a close associate of a politically exposed person? I'll click no and I'll click on continue. Now this is the last step whereby I'll be doing a live identity verification. Now, for this step, it is done from your mobile phone. You can't complete this step from your PC. So at this point, you need to switch to your mobile device, which is by getting the Gray app from your phone, signing in, then it's going to bring you to this page where you complete your live verification. Okay, so right here from my PC, the verification can't be done. As you can see the steps here, but I'm just guiding you on what to do if you're on the phone, of which you're going to select the country and you choose the document type: driver's license, voter's ID, national ID, and passport. So in my own case, I'll be using the national ID card. So I would select it. Now it says Greg who wants to use your camera. Allow this time, allow on every visit. So at this point, you simply log into the app from your mobile phone and continue this process. Okay, this right here is my Gray account. It has been verified after the last process. Okay, so now this is my dashboard. As you can see here, this is my US bank account. This is my US dollar balance. This is my pounds balance, euro balance, and my Naira balance. Apart from that, we also have the virtual card area as well. So to get my actual US bank account, I'll click right here. Then I'll click get your US bank account. Now it's going to bring me to this confirmation page where I'm going to need to click yes, it's correct. So while it's loading, you just have to wait for it to load. Now it says here, what do you need a USD bank account for? So I'm going to just click here. I'm a freelancer. Now it says here, what's your occupation? When you get to this place, you type in the occupation that's applicable to you. So let's go for something like computer engineer. What freelance platforms do you use? I use Upwork. I use other. Okay, name of platform: Google, AdSense, YouTube. Okay, so monthly income. So I'll click less than $500. Then it says link to your freelance or LinkedIn profile. So I'm gonna type in www.linkedin.com/. Now this right here, it's a link to my LinkedIn profile. Now LinkedIn, it's like a social media page. It's like a social media page, not like social media, but it's a professional social media page whereby people post jobs. You get to put your professional profile there if you're looking for a job. So I'm gonna click I confirm, then I'll click submit. Now it says here, your US bank account request is in review. Your US bank account request is currently being reviewed. You'll be notified once your request has been accepted. So I'll click view account information. The account request is processing, so we'll give it some time. Normally, it takes less than 24 hours for the account. In most cases, it can take 1 to 3 working days, whereas in most cases, it takes less than 1 day. So it could be in the next 5, 10 minutes, 2 hours. That is it. So I'll be coming back to the page. Okay, so this right here is my email. Now, after applying the US bank account some minutes ago, now it took me less than 5 minutes before I just got this particular mail from Gray telling me that my US bank account has been approved. As you can see the time here, compared with the time I applied, you see the time my US bank account has been approved. So let's go to the Gray site to confirm. So this right here, I'm gonna refresh this page. All right, so voila, our account has been created. So I'm going to click on the US and this is it. Voila, this right here is our US bank account. Now for privacy reasons, I'll be blurring most part of these accounts. So I'll go back to my home page. Now we have British and we have Euro. So you can also do the same steps here to get this UK UK British pounds account and the Euro account as well. For the Nigerian account, it comes Nigerian account also the same. You can do same as well. So that is how you can get your US bank account. So you can do the same step for the British pounds, the Euro, and the Nigerian Naira. So your grey account is fully verified and ready to go.